In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to create viral YouTube videos. Step-by-step guide. This is the same method I use to get my video ideas ranked, recommended, and even picked by the YouTube algorithm. So stay with me in just a minute because I'm going to share you a screen record and show you how I personally use ChatGPT to find trending ideas, write high retention scripts, and even improve my thumbnails. Let's go viral together. So for quick disclaimers, this video is for educational purposes. ChatGPT helps you generate ideas and improve your content, but it doesn't guarantee instant success. You still need to put in the work. So if this is the kind of video you want to see today on my channel, give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the video. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI tool made by an open AI. You can ask it questions, give it comments, or ask for content ideas. It will give you a response feedback in seconds. Think of it as a YouTube assistant. Do you need a video ideas? Ask ChatGPT. Do you need a script? It can write one for you and even so many scripts for you. Are you not sure of how to title your videos? It can give you 10 different options. Do you want a viral hook? It knows what hooks that work. For example, I once asked ChatGPT, give me 10 YouTube video ideas about small channels growth, and I got how I gained 1,000 subscribers in 7 days, real tips, YouTube settings you must change today. So I used one of those ideas and it worked for me. So let's dive into the tutorial videos, how you are going to use ChatGPT to create a high retention YouTube script that will pick the YouTube algorithm to start recommending your video. So guys, all you have to do is to open to your ChatGPT. Once you open to your ChatGPT, you click on this ChatGPT icon. Once you tap on it, it will bring you to this particular section where you are going to type in the prompts, the scripts that you want ChatGPT to create for you. Like I told you before, I say that I asked ChatGPT to create me 10 video ideas, and ChatGPT gave me 10 different video ideas, including the hashtag and all of that. So all you have to do is, once you have come over to this particular section, now you have to type in the prompt you want ChatGPT to create for you. Like if you want ChatGPT to create a script for you, then this is where you are going to type in what you want ChatGPT to create for you. Okay, now I don't want this video to be too long. All I have to do is I will paste in the prompt that I already have on my ChatGPT app here, like the prompt that I always use to create my video script. Then I'll also add my own experience, what worked for me and what didn't work for me. Now when you look at this script, you will see that my script is a long one. Like I make it in a way that I will explain it in a way that I want ChatGPT to create this particular script for me. So once I have pasted this particular script format on my ChatGPT section, I will now tap on this icon here. Once I tap on it, I'll now have to wait for it to open. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, now the ChatGPT scripts, my script is now ready. Now this beautiful part of this particular app is that it will give you a magnetic hook, like a hook that will hold your view audience while they are watching your video. Now for you to get any magnetic hook or any good hook, you need to put in the language. You need to tell ChatGPT, you need to tell the language, you need to convey the language to ChatGPT in a way that it can create this particular script for you. Like I told you before, ChatGPT can give you anything. If you are looking for video ideas, ChatGPT is there for you. If you are looking for hashtag, if you are looking for titles, hookable title, clickable title, ChatGPT is there for you. Now, if you also just tell ChatGPT whatever, how you want this your video to looks like, how you want ChatGPT to create this script for you, and ChatGPT to create it for you. Now, when you look at this my script, you will see that my script said, please ChatGPT, I need you to create a 3 minutes long summary but with a simple English and full optimized video script on the video title. Step-by-step guide to viral YouTube videos with ChatGPT. Like this is the exact script I use for this particular video that you are watching this video right now. Like for this particular video you are watching right now. Now, when you look at this my screen, you see that I have about 3 paragraphs. Like I have about 3 paragraphs. That is to tell the ChatGPT how exactly I want this my script to be created, and at the same time I'm adding my own experience, what worked for me and what didn't work for me. Remember, ChatGPT is an open AI, so it can give two people a similar script based on a particular topic, but it doesn't mean that it is the exact thing, okay? But it can give you a very well similar topic, a very similar script. So if you are a YouTuber and you are not using ChatGPT to create a script, you are losing like you will be burn out on video ideas, okay? So try to make sure that you are using ChatGPT to create a script, to make it in a compilation, to make it in an engaging way, so that you can hook your audience in or before even 5 seconds of them watching your video. Now, the sweetest part of this ChatGPT is that this ChatGPT help people to create thumbnail. It can help you to get the text you are going to write on your thumbnail. It will help you to get everything, just whatever. Is an open AI. So if you want to be using this my particular formula that I'm used to create my own script, this is it here. I'm also going to paste it on the screen right now, so you can use my formula. This is the formula I use. You can just copy the formula, pen it down, start typing it on your own ChatGPT app, and trust me, this script formula that I'm showing you now will blow up your channel. Like once people are watching your video, they will finding the value in your video. Like they will see it like it is. They will believe in what you are saying, okay? Now they will not see you as someone that doesn't know what he or she is doing on YouTube. So this is how you are going to use ChatGPT. Now if you want to be saving more of your title format or more of your script format, this is where you save it. Like when you look at this my own, you will see where I have so many YouTube creators here, the style they use. I have so many creator styles on how they create their script and all of that, how they get their SEO. So I have a particular one about how I get my SEO. So if you want to get your search engine optimization, just maybe from that particular, just all I have to do is to come over here. I'll click on this copy, I'll click on this edit message. Now let's just say I want to get the title for that particular video, maybe how to get more views on YouTube the smart way. Okay, so once I have typed in the video title here, I'll now send it over here. Once I send it, YouTube will now do what? This ChatGPT is now going to generate description, is going to generate hashtag and keywords for you. Now these are the description. What you're going to just, all you have to do is just to click on this copy. Once you click on select text, you now select from the particular angle you want, from the particular text you want to copy. Then once you are done, you click on copy. Now like I was saying, I told you that ChatGPT will give you a better hook. It will give you hashtag, trending hashtag that will work for that particular video. It will give you keywords. Okay, so this is the beautiful part of this particular ChatGPT. So if you are not using this ChatGPT, go and download it. If you are looking for how you are going to download it, just go to your Google Play Store for those that are using Android phone. Then for those that are using iPhone, so all you have to do is just to click on your Apple Play Store, type in ChatGPT, it will bring you ChatGPT, then you can now download it. So this is how the step-by-step guide I used to going viral on all my YouTube videos using this ChatGPT app. So this is all about ChatGPT. Make sure you are using ChatGPT because it will help you to stay consistent and go viral on YouTube. So after all said and done, make it believable. Don't just copy and paste ChatGPT's answer. Make it real. Add your own voice, your own experience, your own everything. Just put in everything you know that has worked and didn't work for you. Now, for example, if ChatGPT gives you a script about how to grow fast without short, tell your own story inside it. What worked for you? Say what didn't work for you. That is what makes your audience and people to trust you, and they will keep coming to your channel. Also, ChatGPT is great, but always double check facts and trend. It is a tool, not a shortcut to viral success. So I believe now that you have seen exactly how to use ChatGPT and how I use ChatGPT to create better YouTube videos that can go viral. If you are not using ChatGPT, go and download ChatGPT today and start making a YouTube good video ideas that will get you tons of views, tons of engagement, and growing your YouTube channel. So if this video has helped you, give this video a massive thumbs up. Comment below in the comment section viral, and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube growth tutorials every week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.